Good to see you.
How are you?
Good to see you.
Right.
I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Looking good. Got mine?
I'm a little mad because you guys changed the name, though.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Why?
Because Tobin is a little bit territorial.
Okay.
So I already have us as Printerland.
Yeah.
We solidified.
Yeah.
I gotta do it again.
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. So it's 9:25 right now. We pulled up, started recording him at 9:13. So right now we're at, what's that, 12 minutes? And he's probably a little slower because we've been talking to him. Good to roll? 12 minutes? Is that good? Is that good?
Was too long.
That's too long.
No, seriously.
What's the fastest you've ever done it?
4 minutes.
4 minutes?
4 minutes.
Yeah. If I wasn't here slowing you down.
No, yeah, you know. The average time should be like 5 to 7 minutes.
All right, well, I'm gonna hop in the truck with you and we'll get rolling. Sound good? How long you been driving?
At least 15 years.
What's some of the craziest stuff you've ever seen?
I get there, car's turned over, car with no wheels on it. I had one just last week. He said, yeah, I just need to take it to the tire shop. It has a flat. When I got there, it had one wheel on it, no rims.
One wheel?
One wheel. Look, you're
going
to take it to the tire shop for one wheel. One wheel, no rims. So I had to drag it up
On the
brakes, on the rotors, yep. And that was horrible. You know, I'm here to service what you asked for.
That's right.
I get you.
You got a ton of good reviews.
For sure.
You're at 60 now, I think.
Where's the bonus?
I know, get the. You've been slowing down though. I haven't seen too many lately.
We've been slowing down.
Yesterday we did.
And we're out of cards.
Oh, because there's a Google review card?
Yeah, it's easy for somebody to scan and review rather than, you know, I could get them while they're in the car with me.
Do you want some shirts?
Yeah, that would be cool.
Instead of a business card, we could give them, you know, one of these. One of our shops, unfortunately, it's not going here, is it? This is actually one of our first store, 1976, my dad's shop.
Our customers, though, I get a lot of the customers, I think it's the flex pay.
Yeah.
That's the greatest thing for everyone.
Yeah, you talked about that. Yeah.
Yeah, that's my opening line.
Yeah. For this one, we're going to a lady that's broken down in her school. Wanted to take it to her house because she didn't have the money. So we'll talk to her and see if she's interested in getting it over here, and maybe we can help her.
That's like the #1 seller because everybody's like in a hard place right now.
Yeah.
So, you know, the no money down and getting my car fixed today is
big seller.
tremendous. Brian said, how you liking this truck? Do you want to keep it? So I said, yo, that's like.
I mean, we got the other. We're gonna get the other one rewrapped soon.
That's like asking me to leave my wife for my side.
This one's getting better mileage.
We get 7 per gallon here. On the gas truck, we get 5. It's not much. Not much.
It's 30% more.
Okay.
I want to say last month was like 10%, 15% of revenue.
On fuel.
Yeah.
Yeah, no doubt. That's the main thing to keep it moving.
Yeah.
$83 to fill it up.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be able to do at least 5 jobs. That's $500.
Yep.
Not a bad turnover. What percentage is that?
15. Probably need a little bit more.
A little
bit more, yeah.
Gotcha. Understood.
But it's a big cost. Where are we taking this thing?
Right there.
This job is just to drop it and then to figure it out from there. We'll see how long it takes to unload it here. All right. 5 seconds. How long does an unload normally take?
3 minutes.
3 minutes. The same thing here. You want to go down and make sure that the weight's on that, right? Yeah. Hey, Ryan. It just blew this line here. It's this line right here, just one of these hydraulic lines just blew.
Because of probably how old the lines are.
Yeah.
That happened to me before.
Yeah.
If you look at the very top,
Yeah.
that's where it pops.
It pops,
when
yeah.
it extended.
It's pissing out over there. There's a hydraulic line, that controls the pistons down there, and it blew. So all this liquid on the ground here is hydraulic fluid. But we're gonna have to get this fixed before the next job, right? Yeah. Because we can't be. It's not gonna work.
It'll probably cost us like.
Yeah. Let me see. I'll call Germantown.
$100.
Let me call Germantown.
It's a lot of bucks.
Fine, so Germantown, is Dave speaking.
On the tow truck, one of the lines blew, the hydraulic lines. Is Ray there to fix it?
I can see if you can look at it, see if you can mess with that. Let me ask him real quick. Give me a second.
Yeah.
Need new tires or brakes? Get the work done and pay nothing today.
It's just a day in the life of a tow truck business, huh? This is one of the trucks we just bought. Obviously it's a couple years old.
So welcome to the day in the life of a tow truck. It's not always just picking up a car and dropping it off.
Hey, so we just blew a hydraulic line.
Okay.
Dropping this thing off, so think Tyrone can do the next job?
He's already got one. So there's two of them in tow, and I already got the payment for one, or for both of them actually. So.
Here, hold on a second.
Try to put them on a schedule. So if he can put them on like a scheduled tow, like if they're not disabled in the car, just have them say like, we're a little booked up, I'm sorry, and give them $25 off or something like that, because they're scheduled for like 1:30. Let's do it at 2:30.
Yeah. Okay.
Like, that's normally how I try to.
I don't know. Is the one lady you think pretty urgent?
She's in her kid's parking lot, like in her kid's school parking lot.
What a shit show.
What's the next plan?
So luckily we do have a third truck we're not using today. So we're gonna go and swap this truck for that truck so we can keep going today, and then get one of our guys to fix that line.
I'm sorry, Brian.
That's not your fault.
No, I know.
Yeah. It's good. Yeah, it's a good video.
Yeah, but I know we're supposed to have. I wanted it to be clean.
This is real life here.
Are we live? This is just another aspect that shows no matter what we do, we're gonna take care of it.
Kitty litter. That's what they call it. All right, we probably should go to East Norton then and get the other truck, right? Hey, Brian.
So I told the lady that you guys have to switch out trucks, and she said that's perfectly fine, no discount needed.
You can't just get a tow truck and say, all right, I'm a wreck chaser. It's a little different outside than that.
Yeah.
You gotta be somebody. And you got somebody that can go out and wreck chase, so you should take advantage of it.
Yeah. Is that you?
Yes.
Okay. Because some people don't want to do it.
No, I mean, yeah, because of the hassle it brings from outside.
Yeah.
But like I said, we friendly Rockies. We Rockies.
No one could spell Prenlin or announce. They say Prenline. It was,
But our whole objective is to serve the public.
Yeah.
So if we're involving ourselves in that side, we're helping the public because we're not allowing people to get overcharged and used just because they had a mishap.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So we're going to be one of the good guy companies that's going to, do the right thing for people. I think it was this one at the top.
Is there a part number on there, Rick? Can you lift the bed or no? Is that?
Yeah, but it's going. It's not bad enough that it's not operating. So I'll be able to get it back down and get it up. It's just gonna squirt.
Right. The problem is I want to make sure I get a line for it. Napa usually has stuff like this.
You just replace the whole line,
because the problem is you need a special tool to make that line.
Yeah.
You know what? It's so crazy.
Probably standard, right?
I got one on the back of my gray truck.
An extra one? You sure?
I'm almost positive.
Let me just Google it and just see.
Yeah, because we're going now to get the other truck. We're to leave it here and go get the other truck.
All right, let me see. Well, then,
Just you want to park it somewhere?
put it next to that Mazda. The Mazda's got to get the fuck out of here. It's abandoned here.
Jump.
Yeah.
They're not answering their phone.
Man, that's what I
Dude, the salvage license, we're almost there with it.
My problem
You
was-
already know.
I know, but yeah.
What are you filming, like
Just like a...
day in the life?
Yeah, it was going to be just day in the life of operating a tow truck business.
Okay. This fell out of the back of the guy's car.
Oh, my God.
He brought it in, the wheel was like this.
Oh, my God.
He bought it a week ago. Look what they did. They didn't.
Oh, my God. Look at that.
So this is your rear knuckle. This is what holds the wheel on the car.
So they like
They
welded
tack welded to.
So it was a bunch of... Oh,
You can't weld to.
Just like shit well.
That's
yeah.
like.
And it should be solid. There shouldn't be a big hole in it. jeez.
I showed him. I documented. I'm like,
Yeah, all up in here,
yeah,
rusting
dude.
apart.
I'm like, dude, that's what holds you back of your car in.
Yeah.
And he's like, well, I bought it a week ago. I'm screwed. I'm like, well, I can get it drivable. So,
Have you seen like Matilda?
the movie? Yeah.
Where like Danny DeVito like fixes the cars. And,
What's
like,
this-
he glues like the bumper onto the thing.
So this is my Wisconsin Avenue. There hasn't been much that we haven't seen here. This is like a regular
This is a regular occurrence.
occurrence. I met your new driver yesterday.
Tyrone.
Yeah, he's best there is, best there was.
Don't tell Ray.
That's what he said. Who's Ray Outrage? Yeah, man, I heard we got competition in the Rockies towing now. You and the new guy,
Tyrone.
Tyrone. He says he's the best there ever was. And you told me the same thing.
There is no competition.
Yeah, we're all
Welcome
one
to
team.
the team. That's right.
Friendly
but there is
competition.
no competition. There is none.
Until Roxborough beat me for the day. Do you think you have another hose on another
The other truck.
I think so.
All right, well, then you
Because-
need...
And we're going there now.
See, the problem is that they're like, because they're such a high pressure,
Yeah.
you have to crimp those on the rubber hose.
Yeah, yeah.
But Napa can make them if they don't have them in stock.
Okay. We probably should get some
Yeah,
extra
like,
ones
yeah, keep
either
a
way.
pile of them somewhere. That is diesel, that one, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Finally. That's only giving us 2 more miles.
Is it really?
Went from 5 to 7.
All right, you know what, though? It all
That's-
adds up.
that's-
It's a big
that's
picture, right?
In the long run,
Yeah.
it'll work out.
All right, get out of here. Go do your thing.
Where are you parked? Okay.
Someone's about to be miserable in it though.
I'll go in the back. Ray won't fit in the back. It's your punishment. It's your punishment for blowing the slide.
You lucky it wasn't my car. We got child abuse locked.
Oh my God, I would have been stuck in there.
Hey, boo, look, this is my baby.
This is
right
it?
here.
Remote start.
We're back together.
So we just got to get the name.
Yo, that's it.
Randy.
Sure.
Dave, we got everybody here.
Randy, they finally brought me a diesel truck.
And it,
What a nice guy. And guess what happened, though? What? The hydraulic line popped.
I want one of those fluorescent shirts. Yeah, like an extra large for fat old men.
Well,
I'll add you to the list.
fat old man.
Get Randy a shirt. We're shooting a video with a
Are you?
tow company, and then he blew a line at dealership, a hydraulic line. That's what he's talking about. All right, I appreciate you
Yes, sir.
doing a good job. I'll see you, man. Yep.
Thank you.
Well, it's a fun day in the tow truck business. We do have the advantage of having stores and be able to get these jobs and get them fixed and have these resources versus, like, I can't imagine, you're a single guy and this happens, you're totally down, right? We'll get another day with Ray soon. I want to tell you all about the Rockies name, so we'll get that on the next video. Cheers.
Right here is where the two hoses were rubbing together. That's what made this first one blow out. So we're going to replace all the other 3. The parts are about 147 for the hoses, and the labor. Yeah. We're probably gonna have about 2 hours into it, so total probably $800 for the hoses for all 4. Us doing preventative maintenance now for $800. Keep the tow truck on the road for another, year or 2. Better to do it now. So the hardest part of this job is this little bracket in here that will give you enough room to get the wrench on that nut. So it's not really the best design.
That's what I was thinking.
Nut here. You good in there, James?
Nice.
And we're done. That would be your after there. Aftermath.
So it's ready to get back on the road?
Pretty much. I can just fill it with fluid.
Bullshit calls
Uh-huh.
about, energy and eco or whatnot.
Actually sounds pretty good. It's not hopping or anything.